How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing. Hello guys, so first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So after that you have to scroll until you find Instagram like this. Click on Instagram and then click on the force stop option. After you click on the force stop, now go down to the data usage, scroll down and then disable the background data right here. Go back again, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, and then search for Instagram and update it. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.